Escalator right there. As we know, this is what it would look like if it was taken apart. So as we see, it's all bars, very dirty, and here are our steps. Looks like it's a rolling system, accordion, kind of every piece locks together. Look at that. And there's more up top, so there's about half of them. This is all rolling ball bearings, huh? Oh, look at all that grease. All that grease. You gotta make sure there's all that grease on there. And they just settle on that bars. Springs, see the springs there? Springs probably keep it pressed out. Pretty damn cool.